Hey you guys, welcome back to Greening Days, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we are here to spread some good vibes and white smiles. सी बहुत बार ना हमारे अच्छे दिन हमारे अच्छे मूड पे डिपेंड होते हैं. कुछ दिन ऑल डार्क एंड ग्लूमी तो कुछ दिन ऑल ग्लिटर्स रेनबोज एंड यूनिकॉर्न्स. सो वू कैन चेंज दिस बैड डेज वर्स्ट डेज इनटू बेटर वन. इट्स जस्ट यू एंड योर एटीट्यूड, यू नो. मुझे योगा मैट तक जाने तक बहुत सारे डल मोमेंट्स याद है, बट आई कैन नेवर रिमेंबर एनी डल मोमेंट ऑन माई योगा मैट. सो दीज आर फ्यू काइंड ऑफ सिंपल योगा पोजेज दैट विल really instantly change your mood. I always do this when I'm feeling low. I always do this when I am not in a good mood to do anything. So these will instantly change your mood, and believe me, this is my first yoga video, so I don't want to start this yoga series with some sort of flexible with some sort of complicated poses. So I'm gonna start it with very slow manner. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. And yes, before moving further, we have one special friend with us today who is happen to be my best friend and who is Vaishnavi Kadu. Hi guys! Okay, so take out your yoga mats and let's hop on the yoga mat and start this feel good yoga poses. Okay, my first feel good yoga pose is Tadasana, which is also called as mountain pose. उसके लिए हमें अपने दोनों legs hip width apart करने हैं. With deep inhaling, lift those both hands from the side and just stretch it out. Just stretch it out. And believe me, foundation is very important. Have that firm grip on the floor, just like your legs are kissing to the floor, and then exhale down. Now with deep breathing, again prepare yourself. Inhale up, and now this time we need to lift our toes to have that proper balance, have that proper posture. And little tip, while doing that asana, just focus on one thing. In that way you can maintain your balance. At start you can take a support of wall too, and slowly just exhale down. It is the best feel good yoga pose. You can do it for 3 times, 5 times, hold it for 30 seconds to 1 minute. It's just your wish. And slowly just put your hands down from this side. And breathing is very important, my friends, in yoga. So just always have that breathing pattern. Okay, next feel good yoga pose is Vrikshasana, which is also called as tree pose. उसके लिए हमें हमारा right leg लेना है और उसको अपने लेफ्ट लेग के थाई के ओरिजिन के पास रखना है. मेक श्योर आपके टोज नीचे की तरफ हो और हमेशा हमें हमारा पोस्चर चेक करते रहना है. Your leg shouldn't be on the front side, it should be on the side. So always check that. Take the support of wall or any person so that you always maintain that balance. In this yoga pose, this may look very easy, this may feel very easy, but it requires lots of body balance and focus. Believe me, this asana will improve your body balancing game. And with a deep breath, just join your both hands from the side and have that proper balance. And again, that tip, just focus on only one thing. It will improve your balance. Have that firm grip on the wall and just focus. If you're not comfortable with balancing, you can put your legs just below the knee of your left leg or do this. Okay, next pose is extended child pose. For that pose हमें जाना है टेबल टॉप पोजिशन में और वहाँ से हमें हमारे हाथों को थोड़ा सामने लेके जाना है. Let your pinky toes kiss together like that. Have that firm grip on the floor. Widen your leg just like that. Okay, and take a deep breath here and exhale down. Just try to touch your hips to your heels. Make yourself comfortable here. Relax your arms. Focus on your breath. Just enjoy this pose because it will quickly relax your each and every body part. Again, inhale up and exhale down. Believe me, it is the best pose to relax yourself, to release all the tension. If you're not comfortable, if you feel that your hip is not touching your heels, then just try to maintain that pose. Okay, just try a little bit harder. Each and every pose takes its own time, so just relax. And that's it. Again, tabletop position, and from there go to Vajrasana. Pose is Bhujangasana, which is also called as Cobra pose. For this pose, legs should be hip width apart. Touch that index finger to your breast so that you can check the measurements, and squeeze your shoulder, touch those elbows to your body, and with a deep breath, inhale up. This is just a warm up, and then again exhale down. Use your back strength to lift yourself. Just don't put too much stress on your shoulders, on your hands. Okay. And again, inhale up, baby cobra, mama cobra, and then this is daddy cobra. Okay, this posture will take time. Just be patient with yourself. Each and every pose takes time, so just be patient and slowly exhale down. ओके, सो लास्ट पोज इज डाउनवर्ड फेसिंग डॉग. इसके लिए हमें टेबल टॉप पोजीशन से सामने जाना है, हमारे हाथों को शिफ्ट करना है और हिप्स को ऊपर लेके जाना है और बैक को स्ट्रेट रखना है. माथे को ज़मीन पे लगाना है. एंड फ्रॉम हियर टेक अ डीप ब्रेथ, वन हैंड एट अ टाइम, वन लेग एट अ टाइम. इनहेल अप and exhale down. Okay, this is the pose when I fell in love with the yoga. So this pose takes time. It takes me 6 months to touch those heel to the floor. So always have that moment when you reach this position. Otherwise, you will curse me. Because this pose is hard, but this pose is the base of each and every yoga pose. If you feel this difficult, then bend your knees. Try to, move your neck towards your knees. But this is the final pose. It is the most beautiful pose. And from here, go to the child pose. Relax yourself, relax your arms. And there you go. Thank you so much guys for watching.